Hello, citizens. Today we're going to go over how to run a sale in your Etsy shop. Let's go on to the laptop now. So now I'm on the laptop, right? I'm on Etsy.com just like you would be. And we're going to go back into Shop Manager to go create a sale. Okay. On the sidebar here, you would go scroll down till you get to marketing. You click on marketing. Dun, dun, dun. There we're going to click on sales and coupons. Okay. So they have a whole bunch of campaigns. I haven't used them yet. I'm not sure how they work. But let's say we're doing a sale. So new special offer. So we're going to click here. Now, run a sale, then offer to interested shoppers, create a coupon. So we're going to show you how to run a sale. So you click run sale. Now, you can have either free standard shipping or percentage off. So choose a discount. You could choose anything between 10 and 70% off. So I usually choose myself between 10 or 40%. It depends on what's going on. So for right now, I'm just gonna click 10%. Where is this offer valid? So you can pick certain countries or you can click everywhere. Oh, why did I click that? I'm just clicking everywhere. Okay, minimum order to qualify. Now, depending on how you decide to do your sale, you can do it for a certain amount of items. So let's say you want your shoppers to buy at least 2 or more items to get 10% off. Or you can do order total, which means let's say you want your shoppers to buy $30 worth of items to get 10% off. Okay? You get to decide. Now here's the duration. So you could pick when you want it to start and when you want it to end. Understanding you will only do these for up to 30 days. Sales will only last up to 30 days. Okay, if you have any terms and conditions, let's say if you pick the quantity right option. So you will write in the terms and conditions, this sale, excuse me, why did I completely forget what I was gonna say? So you can write this 10% off is only valid if you buy 2 or more items, right? Or you can put this 10% off sales only valid if you purchase $30 or more of inventory. However you want to write it down. Okay? Or you can even put down what items you are is a part of your sale. Make sure you name your sale. Now the shoppers won't see this, but it's for you to keep track of this. Why did that pop up? Why do I have that there? Anywho, so me 10. Right. Let me just go ahead and fill this all out. Just so I can get to the next page with you guys. Okay, continue. Oh, I gotta be 5? Well, excuse me. How we know it has to be between 5, 10, 20 characters. 5 is that enough? Okay, continue. I'm not messing this up. What are we talking about? I don't know. Okay, so I have categories here. In another video, I'll show you the different categories, how to create them. But let's say I want to do from this category, right? And it automatically added all those to the sale. Right? And you can also add single listings if you want to just do particular ones and not ones from categories. Then you click review and confirm, and it'll tell you everything: discount type, 10% off, the date, how many listings. Okay, and then you confirm and create discount, and your discount is all set to go. Make sure you actually share that you have a sale. And it's so cool because on your listings, when people go into your shop, it actually show, like the original price and the sale price, like a line through it. And so it's all set up for you. Okay, citizens, before I go, I want you to check out the link below in the description, right? Sign up for my email list. There, I'll send you awesome freebies, cool workshops you might be interested in, or other videos that might be helpful in your journey. Also, don't forget, if you don't quit, you won't fail. And it's never too late to follow your dreams. All right, bye-bye now.